Can you hear me, Ryan? You're having flu also. Okay, here we go. And this is Mayflowers. Tomorrow you saw paper, right? So you go through paper one. Then later I'll email you this paper. If you are free, the next one will be on Thursday, right? So you try to do the paper two after that. Okay. Okay, question number one, please. Okay, you're correct, but you must add a zero down here after the 5. So make it 350. Otherwise, it won't be an estimate. So why we need to add? Because it really makes a difference to the value. 345. So two significance is 350. Remember that for whole numbers, it becomes a zero here. Okay, you try the next one, 2 decimal places. Three, 4, 5.54. Well done. Well done. We try one more time. This time, the first one, 1A. Yeah? We try 1A. I'm going to cancel this thing. Imagine this thing is cancelled. Now the number is 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Can you correct this to two significant figures? Well done, well done, well done. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay. 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 Can you solve this inequality? Okay. Okay, imagine it's an equal sign. Imagine it's equal sign. You just bring this over. Imagine it's equal. Okay. Okay, remember, minus bring over become plus. Don't forget that. So it becomes 16 now. X smaller than 16. Now I'm going to give you another one. This one is special only to inequalities. If let's say now you have minus 2x here. So I do minus 2x. Again, sign is still the same. I bring over minus 9 over become plus 9. 7 plus 9, 16. But now I want to find what is x. I dividing by minus 2. When I divide by a minus number, this thing flips. So x is greater than minus 8. Remember, when you times or divide by a negative number, it flips, the sign flips. Okay, you remember that? Huh? So hence stage, okay, we go back to the original one just now. Original one down here, x is smaller than 16, right? Now they ask you now, state the largest possible value for x if x is a prime number. Remember prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, numbers that can divide by 1 and itself only. If x is less than 16, what's the biggest number, prime number, that is smaller than 16? That's what they're asking. Biggest prime number, smaller than 16. Fifteen can divide by 1, can divide by 3, can divide by 5, can divide by 15. Only 1 and the number itself. Your answer 15 is for this one. Biggest number, 1. No, your number bigger than that. Your answer 15 is for this one, divisible by 15. Biggest number divisible by 15, 5 is 5. Okay, you can have 7 also. There's prime number more than 10. You see, 2 is a prime number. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 cannot. 10 cannot. 11 can. One more after it. What is it? Can only divide by 1 in itself. Can. 13, yes. Because 1 times 13 is 13. That's all. There's no other. So 1 times 11, 1 times 7, 1 times 5, 1 times 3, 1 times 2. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, because must have two numbers. 1 and something else. So this one 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 5, 1 times. You get it? Those are prime numbers. Huh? Unique numbers are prime. Okay, simplify A first. Can you simplify this? Can Ryan, are you okay? Okay, let's see. Yeah. This is for A, right? Okay, let's do together. Hold on. 3 bracket x plus 2 plus 5 minus 2x. So we times 3 times x, 3x. Then 3 times 2, 6. This one is like 1 now. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times minus 2x, minus 2x. So there is no square here. We rearrange it. We rearrange it, get 3x. I bring the 2x down here, minus 2x, plus 6, plus 5. So 3x minus 2x is x, plus 11. Don't be confused with this one, like that. Like this is different, you times here, but there's no sign in between. This one, there's a plus in between, Ryan. If there's no plus in between, then x times 5, blah, 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 blah. Okay? So there's a plus, so there's not being multiplied. Okay, we try the next one. Remember what this is? This one means you have to put it bracket like that, and times. 2y minus 1 times 2y minus 1. You do the times first. Okay, let's see. All right, almost. Let's see. We expand it. I do this one first, okay? 2y times 2y get 4y squared. 2y times minus 1 minus 2y. 1 minus 1 times 2y minus 2y. Minus 1 times minus 1 come plus 1. Okay, so this one later will becomes minus this one 4y squared minus 4y. Why minus 4y? You utang 2y, you utang 2y, you utang 4 lah. Okay, then now you have 4y minus 1. This is plus 4y minus 4y. You can cancel it. Correct. 4y minus y, 0 lah. 1 minus 1, 0 also. Your answer is 4y squared. You get it? You know where's your mistake? Okay. You know? You don't know, I can search for you. Okay, good, good, good. Direct proportion now. You try. Remember, there is a basic, always that direct proportion is always given by this formula. Inverse proportion is this formula. So you're using now this one, they tell you is directly proportional. So use formula this one. You must find out what's k. Put in the value of y, put in the value of k, x, find out what's k, and then you will have answer for number 1. Y equals to what's the value of k, x, r. Then after that you can put in now. How do we know which one is here, which one is y, x? The first one normally down here is always the front part down here. The second one down here is always the second part down here. Can you get in it? So you can change this one to M, this one to V, and find what's K. You remember how to do? No, okay. I give you another question, okay? Then you try to do this one. Huh? Let's say now we where's the whiteboard? Oh, down here. Okay, let's say y is directly proportional to x when y is how many, x is how many. I will give you this. First you find k, yeah? First you find k. Now remember the formula now is y equals to kx. But hold on, let me give you the values. Let me give you the values. Is find k first. Substitute the value inside, substitute the value inside. Can? Find k. Okay, let's see. Okay, you must write, okay, you say k minus 20, let's see. We put in, this is 24. See, y is 24, I put y here, equals to, k we don't know, we just leave k. X is 4, okay, I put 4k lah, okay, it becomes 4k. So what is 1k? Okay, 24 divided by 4 get 6. Once you get this, you must write the formula. What is the formula? This is the basic formula. So you fill in what K is. Y, it's okay, no problem, no problem. Equals to 6x. Can you see now? You know how to do now? Are you okay? Okay, now we try the question. You try the question. Okay. This, so I just give you the what they are saying down here. M, see, M is always the first one, equals to KV. You got to find what is K, and then you rewrite the formula. Can? Ten point five. 10.5. Okay, K equals 10.5. Well done. So write the formula. Correct, correct. Write down the formula. You know how to write down the formula? Because you want to see what's the equation, you got to write down for you. Just put the value of K in. M equals to M equals to, yes, well done. But remember, if they give you capital V, you must use capital V. You see, they give small m, you must use small m. Capital V, why? Because as you go higher levels in secondary school, you'll find that small v, big V have different meaning. Perhaps. Okay, sometimes the small is small, sometimes it's big. Perhaps. Okay. And now you try question B. How to find question B? You just substitute, and now you have your formula, right? Your formula is M equals to 10.5 V. What you want to find now? You want to find, they give you the V. You can find M already. You substitute the V in. Okay, well done. Okay, so this is in gram, 262.5 gram. Well done, well done. You get it? How? Okay, no? Okay, we try not all of them. Okay, we just try question number B. This one, I think you need to do crisscross. Most probably you need to do crisscross. Most probably. You know crisscross. Remember crisscross, right? No, only B, yes. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now here, this one, yeah, I clear first. Okay, we write like that. So later I'll give you one more. Lah. Maybe I give you down here, for example. You see where you can do. Okay, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Let me just come up with another one. Okay. So let's see now 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So we write the line like that. We put a cross on here. So what times what is equals 2x squared. So this first one, you write it at the bottom here. The last one down here, what times what equals to 3. So it's like 1 times 3. Okay, good. So what times oh, 2x times x. So that's right. 2x times 3, 6x. Okay. X times 1, 1x, which is x. You add together, you get 7x. Oh, that means this one is 2x plus 1. And this one x plus 3. So remember of course, if I put the 3 here, put 1 here, it doesn't work. Okay. You have, I'm just lucky the first time. Okay. So now alamak, this is the same question. I come out the question is the same. Ya Allah. Okay. I thought I want to give you another question, but this is the same question. Okay, so I tell you what, I'll give you another question. Okay, another question. Hold on. Okay, I'll write here. Hold on. Okay. So you try this one. 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. Oh, box method. What's the box method? It's not the same. You got the box method. It's actually, I think, just a different style. Okay, basically down here you ask yourself, what times x, x times x squared? So 1 needs to be 2. Down here 1, down here maybe 1, down here 2, or down here 2, down here 1. Either one to get 2. That's why we put 1, 2 lah. We try. So 1 times 2, 2. 2x times x, 2x squared. You times get 4x. X times 1, x. Some 5x cannot lah. Something doesn't work. So what do I do? Maybe I must change the positioning. So I change the positioning. I put, there's no 1, 2, right? Now I put 2, 1. 2x times x, 2x. 2x times 1, 2. X times 2, 2x. Now you get 4x. So it's on 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. And then x plus 1. Here. Move on first. This one. You try question 1, 6a first. Well done. Congratulations. You try the next one. Well done. Just a clue, this one, you need to factorize. Let's see. Okay. It's close. It looks close. Okay, let us. You have your working? Can you just show me? You just show me. Just show me. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Okay. Hi. This is the one, right? So, okay. So the starting now. I'm just going to do the starting. You have 3x plus 6. Now you cannot cancel when there's a plus. Cannot. You can only cancel if it's all this is the same. Because okay, let us see. Let us see. Okay, you must be very clear on this. Let's say now, if I give you, let's say now, 3 plus 2 over 9. You add together is 5 over 9. Correct? But let's say now you do that, cancel, divide by 3, get 3, divide by 3, get 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 over 3 become 1 whole. Cannot. So how to do? Okay. So how to do that? So remember, when there's plus in between plus, you cannot cancel. Unless it's the whole thing. That means the whole thing like this. Maybe you can. But down here, let us factorize a little bit. This one there's 3, this one there's 6. Both can divide by 3. I'm going to take the 3 outside. And then I'm left x plus 2. You can see. This one, if I were to factorize, it will give me x plus 2, x minus 2. You must be able to see the pattern. Remember, it can be squared, can be squared, can be square rooted, can be square rooted. Can be square rooted, can be square rooted. So it's like that. You see, you have the first and last. X plus 2, x minus 2. There's no middle. Change to times. This one goes up. X minus 2 go up. 2x minus 1 is below. Now, this is all like bracket. Right? Can we cancel? Yeah, this one we can cancel whole thing with this whole thing. This one, x plus 2, can with this one, x plus 2. You are left with 3 over 2x minus 1. A good attempt, good attempt. So remember, you cannot cancel in between. Let's try. No, not this one. Simultaneous equation. Okay. Simultaneous equation. Please try. You remember how to do? I'm looking in your eyes. Are you okay? Okay, we do one by one. Okay, you can bring this plus 3y over this side. So this equation becomes what? X equals to minus 1. You bring plus 3y becomes minus 3y. You can call this equation 1. Equation 2 is still the same. So what do you do? Step 1. Substitute 1 into 2. Okay. So down here you see you have 2, all right, 2x minus y equals to 12. This is, sorry, just 2x minus y equals to 12. This is equation 2. But I'm going to substitute this value inside x. So what happens? This thing x disappear. And then I'm going to substitute it. I'm going to put like that. Like this. What do I put? Minus 1 minus 3y. I'm putting the value of this one inside down here. So 2 times minus 1 minus 2. 2 times minus 3 minus 6y minus y equals to 12. You bring minus 2 over, become plus 2. 12 plus 2 equals to 14. Then down here, you owe $6, you owe $1, you owe $7. Y equals to 14 divided by negative 7 equals to negative 2. You have found y. Once you have found y, you can substitute this value, y equals to negative 2, into one of them. You can substitute into one. So you write down here. Substitute y equals to negative 2 into 1. Oh. Into 1. So x equals to minus 1 minus 3. Y, you put bracket lah. Here. 2 minus 2. Minus 3 times minus 2 become plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 is equals to x. What is x? 6 minus 1, 5. And you get answer part. Are you okay, Ryan? You look tired, Ryan. Tired? You had exam, is it? Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Just another 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more. You tested on this one? No. This one congruency, yes, right? Yes, right? You try. What's the length AB? All this. Annotate. Okay. So A, B, C, D. So A, hold on. So you're using this annotation method. Very good. A is W, B is X, C is Y, D is Z. Okay, then the other side. W is A, X is B, C is Y. Okay. Well done. You're using this method. It's very good. Well done. For A, angle BCD. BCD. Well done. Angle BAD. 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 Remember, four angles in a quadrilateral always add up to how much? So you know how to do it. Well done, right? Well done. Congratulations. So for congruency, I think you got no problem. Probability you don't have, right? I don't think so, lah. I don't think so. This one. Remember, you want to find, hold on. You want total surface area, maximum amount of water they can hold. Volume, remember this is a cylinder, base area times height. Area down base area is circle on here, pi r squared times height. Remember the base area of circle times the height. Base area times height. Okay, area of the circle, base area. You want to find volume, right? Base area times height. Base area is the one at the bottom here. This is a circle. Find the area of circle. Circle pi r squared. That's the area of the circle. 240. Okay, let's see. Yeah, very close, but I'm not too sure whether. Do you take pi r squared first down here? Pi, let's say you take 22/7, depending on what you use for pi lah, times the r times r. So it's not 9. 9 is the diameter, it's 4.5. 4 times 4.5 times 4.5. This is now the area, and then after that you must times by 4, which is the height. Do you do this like that? Pi? No. So your down here, this whole thing is 9. You want radius. Radius from here to here. 4.5 times 4.5. Yes, you did. Times 4. So if you do like that, let's see. 22 times 4.5 times 4.5 times 4. You get 254 something. You put all these numbers inside the calculator, you get like that, roughly lah. Get, huh? Okay. So your answer is quite close, 240, but not close enough lah. Now the next one, now they ask you for surface area. Okay, surface area, I want you to understand. This one now, let's see. You have this thing here. This thing, I want the surface areas. Surface area, let's say I want this. Surface area, this one, plus top, bottom. How to find the curved surface here? Curved surface here is actually, if we put it around, you see that it goes around like that. You see that? You open up, the breadth, this is length times breadth, you know. The breadth is actually the height. The length is actually the circumference of the circle. So you find the circumference times the breadth, you get the curved surface area. So in school, let's say exam time, you cannot remember. You roll up your test paper like that. Then you can see, yeah, this one curved surface. So you open up, it becomes breadth and length. And then this one is, the breadth is the height. The length is actually the circumference. Do you get it? You get it, huh? So formula for circumference, let us. So area you already got, right? Down here on top, area pi r squared times 2 lah, because there's 2. Down here now, what is the circumference? To find the circumference, very simple. Pi times diameter. Pi times diameter is the circumference. Diameter is 9 times 22/7. That is going to be your length, because when you open up, and then down here times the height, times 4. Then you plus, after you get the area, plus here and plus here. What is this? The area of circle lah, top and bottom. And just nice, this is the last question of the. Maybe you found earlier. I think you found surface area. Is it? You found surface area. 240 is correct. I think you found surface area, so you be careful now. This one down here is on top is volume. Bottom is surface area. So you know how to do. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Means you more or less that thing, you just got to revise a bit. This is actually the last question. So you got, I think, 240 meter square meter. The other one was square cubic meter. So more or less, you have finished now paper 1. I will send you this paper. Maybe before we meet on Thursday night. Thursday night, I think we can meet. Yeah, depending on you want 8:40, 8:30 also can. If I have no one before lah. Today I cancel a lesson before because I do not know. I better prepare for yours in the sense my body got to be fit like this for 1 hour. If I take someone else, I'm afraid halfway teaching you, I say sorry lah, Raiyan, I got to chow. Like what? That's what happened to your sister's class actually. So yeah, but she finished her exam. Okay, but anyway, you just revise before the exam, the formulas and whatnot. Inshallah, Inshallah, I can make it. You take care. All right, see you on Thursday. Assalamualaikum. Bye.